So Instagram just released a new sticker called Add Yours, and this is a way to make Instagram stories even more social here on the Instagram app. So hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add this new sticker called Add Yours on your Instagram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open your Instagram application. After that, you want to go ahead and add your very own story. So I'll just go ahead and click on your story right here in order to make myself one. And I have this video right here. The next thing that you could go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on the sticker icons. You could just go ahead and search for the Add Your sticker, or you could just go ahead and click it straight up right here. So after that, you can now go ahead and write your prompt right here. So for example, I have this video game right here. I could just go ahead and type right here, what is your favorite scene or what is your favorite game, and people will be able to add their very own picture inside our story right here. Or if you can't go ahead and decide one, you could just go ahead and click on the dice button right here, and it will go ahead and randomize our prompt. So after typing your prompt, just go ahead and click on done, and now you have your Add Your sticker. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.